Yo, what's going on YouTube? Sorry I didn't post last week. It's because I was really busy over the weekend and I was hanging out with my older brother and I wasn't sure if I was gonna make video. So right now I'm with my buddy Reese right there and we're gonna make a video. So I'm gonna be on the tractor and we're just gonna mess around in the back alleyway for now. And yeah.
Fun.
Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna drive back here a little bit. So let's go. Guys, don't do this. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let me sit back on normal. Okay guys, we're gonna put you in a time lapse. Okay guys, so Reese is going to get his bike because he doesn't want to leave it all the way back there. But that's such a pretty view right there. It looks so nice. But he'll be back, so I'll put you guys in a time lapse of what I do until he gets back. Okay, boys, Reese is back. Say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna continue driving her.
There's a Craftsman with best tractors ever.
Nice. Whoa. We're gonna go find another spot. So hey. All right, boys. So I'm still on tractor. We're just going through this part to get back up to my house because we didn't end up going through the other trail. So we're just going through the trail I ride the snowmobile around my house at. So, yeah. I might end up having to turn around back here, actually. Yep, we're turning around, Bowie. Oh, never mind. It'll make it. But we're going to need to let her get a rest. Shaky advisory. Almost hit the tree button. Woo! We found a little trail. I hit the tree. Thank God I know how to drive, guys. What? Whoa, she's getting crazy through there, baby. Woo! Hold up, boys. boys, so we're gonna park here for a couple minutes. Just so we can talk, you know how to. Of course he would steal a tractor, boys. But it's okay. So the reason I didn't upload last week, I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier. I was hanging out with my brother and his kid, of course. But if my brother comes back up this weekend, we'll probably end up going to the pond like we did last weekend. But I won't bring this. And I planned in a couple of videos to get my tractor here, so we could do like way crazier stuff than that. But that's really all I have to say right now. We're probably gonna just stay over here like we've been. But yeah, see you guys in a minute. That would have ruined the whole thing.
Yeah. Come on, John Deere.
Hold up, I gotta be careful coming down this.
I stopped at 48, right? There's this babe crawling up there,
Okay,
bud.
boys, so I'm waiting for Reese to go get his bike. I need a tow. I'm joking. I'm just parked right now. I'm just waiting for him to get his bike so we could drive back to his house, and then I'll end the video there. So let's go. Alright, boys, that's all we got for today's video. Maybe we'll make another video tomorrow
Yeah.
with
Watching that
Christian
up
if he's up here. But yeah, we'll catch you next time we film together.
Rock and
So-
roll, peace.